Last year it was Cristiano. This year it's like the whole fucking squad, fam. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. First, we start off on a good standard. We start off on a good point. Mason Greenwood. Mason Greenwood got his loan move to Getafe. Mason Greenwood, big up yourself. Loan move to Getafe. Now you have the opportunity to play football. Forget about what happened in the past. Forget about what the media and the football fans are saying in England. No, all I have to watch you play football. I'm looking forward to it. Next game is Sunday. Hopefully you up on the team. Hopefully you can play 10, 20 minutes. I don't care. Just looking forward to seeing you play. I'm looking forward to seeing you play football because you're coming back next year and you're going to come back well ready for the league. So big up yourself, Mr. Greenwood. That's the only good news at Manchester United at the moment. The only good news at Manchester United. First, Anthony. What, man? What? Okay, we know. We saw Anthony's reply to the accusations that was levied against him. And in my perspective, in my opinion, I think it's a travesty of justice for that girl to come out and say that he hurt her just like that. What she said, she wanted him to be suspended from Manchester United. She's hurt because of her feelings got hurt. No, she wants him to get hurt. That's it. That is exactly what it is. She brought a case against him in Brazil. Brazil jumped up and cancelled him from the national team. And then Manchester United, along with Anthony, said, listen, we can't have you playing for Manchester United until we have this thing settled out. Fine. Manchester police is investigating the reports of him physically abusing her, headbutting her. But from Anthony's reply, I think none of that happened. In my perspective, I think none of that happened. I definitely think none of that happened. And it will come out soon enough. And if he did hurt her, then fine. He deserves to be punished. But I don't think it happened. But we will see. The women that really get hurt during domestic violence is just being chastised right now and traumatized, re-traumatized because of what they are doing to an innocent. But hey, leave it as is. Next up, Jaden fucking Sancho. Jaden fucking Sancho. They got kicked out of the Arsenal game the other day. When I didn't see Jaden Sancho on the bench or in the starting lineup, I was like, okay, what's going on? Maybe I'm sick, maybe I'm ill. So we played the game, lost, came back out. Eric Ten Hag said, listen, Jaden Sancho has not been playing well in training this week, so he's not been picked. Leave it at that, no? Leave it at that. That's a dead story. Dead story. You go back and talk to Eric Ten Hag and say, listen, I know I've been training well. It's just the way you want me to play. I'm not playing. Simple. And then you fix that with Eric Ten Hag. 1 hour later, you come up with a massive statement saying, I've been trained well. I'm scapegoating me, all sorts of shit. For the entire international break. That's what Manchester United fans, and rival fans have been talking about the entire international break. Oh, Jason Sancho and Eric Ten Hag in our problems. Oh, me and you know that Manchester United is livid in terms of their positioning on the right wing because Anthony now out, Ahmad out. The only person we have can play up on the right wing was a right winger is Pelestri. Because now Jaden Sancho is going to go out because I guarantee you Eric Ten Hag after that will not want him to play. There are reports that John Murta and other people are intervening trying to get them into a common ground because they need him to play. But I do think what Jaden Sancho did cannot be removed. No, he removed the tweet, removed the scapegoating, statement. But I don't know, fam. I do not fucking know, bro. I don't know. I cannot tell you why Jaden Sancho did that. But carry on, fam. Carry the fuck on, bro. And then last, but certainly not least, Harriet fucking Maguire. Yeah, you heard me right. Harriet fucking Maguire, fam. I saw his mother came out with a massive statement yesterday. How is that going to get him into the Manchester United team? How is that going to help him in the English team? I saw Gareth Westgate saying something about the English fans, this and that. How is that going to help him in the Manchester United team? Even rival pundits saying stuff to big up Aaron Maguire's ego. Fans, famous fans, Tottenham fans, the famous Tottenham fans, the Spider-Man actor, we boy want him, I don't care. I talk about Aaron Maguire this, Aaron Maguire that. Listen, you guys, I don't know who you're trying to convince. I don't know. But I know what I saw and what I've been seeing for the past 3 years. And Harry Maguire is absolute shit. Harry Maguire is absolute shit. When I came on against fucking Scotland, and then when them kick the ball and he hit on him foot and score, you know what I said? I said, look at that. Fucking Harriet Maguire. To my group of friends in the chat room. Fucking Harriet Maguire. And it's not because him scored the one goal. It's because of the reaction that you will get from the fans because of that goal. The fact is, Harriet Maguire should not be playing for England. Point blank, period. Tamori, forget game time. He must be up on his squad. Because of Harriet Maguire. Why is Harriet Maguire being played? Because of Gareth Westgate. He's constantly picking these men when they're not playing for their club. Harriet Maguire, Kelvin Phillips, they haven't played for the past 2 years. Harriet Maguire for 2 years, Kelvin Phillips for 1 year. They have not played any sort of football. Gareth Westgate keep picking them over and over and over. Why? Why do you do that? At Manchester United, listen me and listen me good. At Manchester United, Harry Maguire is the 5th choice centre back. 5th. Rafael Varane, Alessandro Martinez, Victor Lindelof, Luke Shaw. Luke Shaw that is a left back. Is a 4th choice centre back. And then you have Harry Maguire. They gave him the opportunity to leave this summer. They gave him the perfect opportunity to leave for 30 million. And he said no. Because he didn't get the 5 million that he deserved for the contract. He said no. The man said no to that. But he can do that because he doesn't have to play for Manchester United and still make the English team. So the fans who clearly can see that Harriet Maguire is shit will say that Harriet Maguire is shit, and why is he still being picked? I can't tell you. Calvin Phillips, I can't tell you. Calvin Phillips played 10 minutes last year. For the whole year, 10 minutes. Exaggeration, but maybe. How is he still being picked? He's not even on the bench for Man City, but he's still being picked. So don't blame the fans, but Manchester United and the broader England, about Harriet Maguire being shit and they should kick him out of the team. It's Gareth Southgate who keeps picking him. Every team. And when you come out and you start saying shit like you said earlier, it just shows me exactly it just shows me exactly what you are about, Gareth Westgate. No, I'm not an England fan when it comes to football, but I do support genuine football, and England has a wonderful team. A very wonderful team. But right now, sad. Very, very, very sad. Harriet Maguire, I hope you try to get a team in January, because honestly, it's not working out for you, fam. It's not working out for you at all, fam. Anyway, people, I tried my best to get the Mason Green New jersey from Getafe, and I'm going to try it again. But what happened was, you put the your address in, and it tells you you can only buy your address can only be in Spain. Or your location has to be in Spain. Me living in Spain. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to put the province in Spain. Hopefully, you can send it to me. If not, going to go fire. Contract definitely go fire. Anyway, people, best of yourself, best of others. Manaz.